Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the RAEGR ARC700 wireless charging stand. This is a QI certified charging stand that comes with 15 watt dual coil charging. Over here, it's some specifications are mentioned. 15 watt is good for LG phones, 10 watt for Samsung phones, 7.5 watt for iPhones, and 5 watt for other QI enabled phones. This product also comes with 1 year of limited manufacturer warranty. Do we have any more information? Yeah, some more information here. This particular wireless stand has the stand type design. It's case friendly. Basically, you can put the case on while charging it. 15 watt fast charge is the highest that you can get. It also comes with temperature control. Sleep friendly, and you can charge the phone vertically or horizontally. Let's quickly take a look what this particular charging stand looks like. So there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have a user manual for the ARC700, which you should read at least once. You will learn how to make this particular device work. And this is the cable that it comes with. This is the charging cable. You will need to connect this to a charging output. This has a USB-C jack on one end. This is after all a 15 watt charger, so it will require USB-C. And this is the charging stand in question. This is a matte black charging stand. You'll be able to put the phone vertically like this or horizontally depending on your specifications. And there is a USB-C type charging port right over here, and also notice the RAEGR logo over here. Underneath there's some information. It says 15 watt wireless charging stand, model ARC700. Input DC 9 volt, output 15 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt and 5 watt depending on the phone. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the RAEGR ARC700 wireless charging stand. Thank you for watching.